Oh, brother, what just happened? I think we've lost the way. We've come near that tree where a Jinn lives. They say if you touch this tree, the Jinn wakes up and doesn't let anyone leave without listening to his ghazal. Come on, come on. Let's pass from a little distance. You come this way.
ये क्या हो गया? बस मैंने आपको बोला भी था।
What is this? I told you already. Now what will happen? No one has come here for 2 years. I told you today not to pass from here. Run, run, run. Why didn't you run away from here? Stop. Sit down. You can leave only after listening to my ghazal. We will listen to your ghazal, but please don't harm us. Let us go. Please, we will listen to your ghazal and then leave from here. We promise we will never come again. Sit here and listen to my ghazal. Ghazal starts.
Teddy ukdi jamani jan o kache diyan jodiyan vejan wale
Please forgive us, respected ghost. Please let us go. What happened? Wait, listen to my full song before leaving. After 2 years you have come, you must listen to my full song. Wait, wait, wait. We will listen to your song, but we have one condition. We are scared of your eyes. Please close your eyes and sing the song. Then we will listen to the full ghazal. Okay, okay, listen. Hey, it seems those idiots ran away. They came after 2 years and almost killed me.